Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you, now that you've installed Ubuntu on your PC, it's Unix Ubuntu, you may want to do some setup just like you have to do with Windows. Now you'll notice I have a dual screen here, but what's happening is, obviously the screens are reversed. If you go over here in the Show Apps, and you go into Settings, right, you'll see all the different changes you can make, such as Bluetooth. We can go into Bluetooth. I'll have to fix that and go into displays. Now, just like in the Windows group, you see the two monitors that you have, right? And we have that. You have a choice of join or mirror. And I'm going to take this one over here, switch them, and of course, what we're going to have to do is apply. And this will allow keep changes, right? This will allow me now, you can see my mouse now is able to move from right to left. Now you can make your primary, you can change that. So this is my primary display, and I want my icons on the opposite side. So I'm going to go over here to primary display, and I'm going to switch it, and I'm going to apply it. Now all my icons are over here, and I'm still able to move back and forth with my two different monitors without any issues. Now, you could also do some other changes to each one of the monitors. You could go into them, and you could change the scale, your hertz, and all the things. If you had to, if you wanted to do that, that's how you would do it. Let's go back. Now it's a little bit different in Windows in the way you do things. But now over here, if we look, we see here's my apps. Then you can, just like Windows, you have all your different settings, your software updates. You can go over here, see software updates. And you can go in here and update anything you wanted to do, right? Follow me, you see it? And that's basically how you do that. So that's a simple tutorial on how to go into Ubuntu and change the settings on your display. And you can go, and I've shown you how, number one is how to switch screens. Number two is you can change the resolution on those screens, and you can change where the icons appear. I hope this information has been helpful for you. This is your Grandpa out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grandpa's channel, KC Grandpa Tech. And you have a marvelous day.